Hi everyone, Lori Whitlock here. I have got a brand new gingerbread house that I wanted to show you. The digital cutting files are available at the Silhouette Design Store and in my shop at shop.loriwhitlock.com in SVG format. So this is a super cute and fun project, and it's really quite easy to put together. There's a lot of cute embellishment pieces, but don't be intimidated by the project because it's quite easy to put together. I've gone ahead and cut everything out, and I've got all the pieces here. There's 4 pieces to make the tree. Little gingerbread people are here, and I've already layered those up. This is the bottom of the house, the roof of the house, the basic house piece with all the trim added, and the chimney. So I'm going to go ahead and move some of these pieces off to the side, and we're going to take a quick look at the roof and how it is constructed. So I've gone ahead and put most of this together because it's a little bit of a pain to do all of it on video. But basically the house is a piece that looks like, or the roof is a piece that looks like this. It's got 2 peaks in it. And then the little awnings, or the little gables, are a piece that looks like this. There's 2 of those in the file. And you're going to just fold that in half and fold those tabs up, and you're going to slip it underneath and glue those tabs in place. Then you'll also put all these trim pieces on. There's a piece for this side of the roof and that side of the roof, and then each side of the awning. Each has a separate little piece. And then you, when you glue that in, it'll look like this. It'll be glued in like that, and you'll just have one on each side. So that roof piece is pretty easy to put together. On the back side, so you'll notice the little holes here in the craft color. Those holes show through to a red layer, so you don't have to individually place all those little red dots. Makes it super easy. Isn't that fun? So you'll go ahead and put in your awning pieces and glue on your trim white pieces and your red layers here on the back. Actually, you need to put the red down before you glue those 2 awnings in, because the little glue tabs on the awnings will show through some of the holes if you don't. So that is your roof, and we'll go ahead and put that to the side. Now we have the base of the house, and it is 2 pieces, and you'll see that I just glued that together here with this glue tab and this glue tab. So basically, when it lays flat, you've got a piece that looks like this, the side and then the front of the house, and then on the back it's just another piece that looks like the front of the house, and the side of the house looks just the same. But the front obviously has the door. So then over the door, I've just glued this little piece on. It's just a piece that you fold in half with 2 little glue tabs, and those just come to a peak there and fold right up and glue right above the door. Gone ahead and put the door dark brown piece on, and then the white trim pieces. These side pieces are nice and easy. They're all one piece. So you just glue those onto their side. Not a lot of little pieces to fiddle with. So that's really easy. And then, of course, the little window on the front door. So once you fold that up, you'll just fold those glue tabs towards the inside, and that's what you'll attach your roof to. We've got the bottom of the house here, and this little cutout is for the front door. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in before we attach our roof. Once we put our roof on, it's going to be harder to put the bottom in. So let's go ahead and put that bottom in. Now to do that, I was playing around with it a bunch of different ways. If I try and put glue on these and then put it under, it's kind of hard. So the easiest thing for me to do, and you may decide to do it differently, but I like to put a little bit of glue right along the edge on all 4 sides on the inside of the house, where the bottom is going to glue into place. Make sure you don't get any glue on the front of the door. So just do these 2 sections here to the side of the door, right here and here. And then just go ahead and stand your house up and fold those glue tabs in on that bottom, and go ahead and slip it down inside the house. That was the easiest way to get that in and not have glue get everywhere. So then you can just push it down to the table and press on those glue tabs to set them. Okay, once you have that in place, we're ready to go ahead and put on our roof. So the roof is symmetrical front and back. It doesn't matter which way it goes, but it's basically going to glue on just like that. So the easiest thing to do is go ahead, and I like to kind of pull those glue tabs out just a little bit. That way when I set that roof on, it's going to have plenty of contact You don't want them pushed in too far. They won't get a chance to make contact. So now we're just going to go around and put some adhesive on each of those tabs. Okay, and like I said, go ahead and pull those tabs out so they're going to make good contact, and then we'll just set that roof right on top and then just hold it in place while it dries. Just make sure you have those peaks. The house pieces are coming straight up, where they're not bending in or out. They look good. And once that's dry, you're ready to go ahead and put on the little chimney here at the top. Let's see how that looks. And we'll just go ahead and put a little adhesive here on these 2 glue tabs. And decide where we want that chimney. I guess right here looks pretty good. We'll go ahead and put that down. Just make sure that makes good contact. Might need to just put your fingers down in there to glue that in place. And then let's go ahead and put together our little tree. The tree is a lot of fun. It's just 4 pieces that you fold in half, and we're just going to glue them each to their neighbor. And they make a cute little tree that stands up all on its own. I like to use the table as a guide to help me get it nice and centered there. Okay, then you take those 2 halves and we'll just glue them together. Okay, so now that cute little tree just stands up like that. Isn't that fun? Okay, so we're done with the house and the tree. Now let's take a look at the little gingerbread people. They're made with a white layer in the back, and then they're gingerbread color, and the white shows through on the eyes and all the little stripes. And then you just need to layer on the dress and the little neck, little collar, and the bows. And on Santa's, we have the little Santa hat and the little bow on the neck. So super easy. And then I went ahead and used some pop dots on the back, and I'm using the little American Crafts foam dots. I will link to those in the description of this video, so you can go get some of those if you like them. And I think these look cute on the front of this house, just right here by the front door, on each side of the door. And I like them adhered with a little pop dot to make them stand out a little bit. Look how cute they are. And our little house and our tree are all done. Aren't those fun? This would certainly be fun with some little enamel dots added to decorate the tree or the house. That would be a lot of fun. So I hope you have fun making this darling gingerbread this year. And you could always put a little tea light inside. Look how fun that would be, or a couple of them to make it shine at night and glow. So I hope you enjoy this file, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.